Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we would love to have something chat. And so we thought we'll go out, we'll step out. We are back in Bangalore and we just did not know what to do. So we thought we'll step out to Kalyan Nagar, a place close by, hardly 3 to 5 kilometers. And we're going to a restaurant called Chaat Street. So apparently these people are pretty good for their samosas, then they're good for their chola bhature, but I'm not sure. So let's go there and then let's test it out and let's taste it and then we'll give a review about it. So please come on. We are right in front of Lumbini Garden Lake and this is a lovely place for boating as well as to walk in the evening. I think this is a boating area. It was a boating area previously, and then this place they shut it down. In fact, that's the place they used to have the boating.
That is known as Lumbini Garden.
Lumbini Gardens. This is a Lumbini Garden Lake, in fact. So, and this is a lovely S&N towers over here. It's a good view. This would be the corporate offices over here. There's another flat apartment that is coming along with Manyata Tech Park over there. So we are driving down towards Kamanhalli. In fact, this place is next to Kamanhalli main road. Hey folks, yeah, we are on the way to Kamanhalli, and this is apparently one of the biggest. I would say it's like the Manhattan of Bangalore. And here it's mostly they have a lot of shops that sell clothes as well as a lot of eatery joints and all. One such shop which we are going to is this Chaat shop. It's pretty famous over here, and also there are a lot of people going over. There's a lot of reviews, so we just found it out on Google. So of course we had a little craving of having how to eat chaat. We wanted to have a craving of eating chaats today. So we thought it's a nice cool weather, and we thought of stepping out of our house since we just came back from Kerala. So we just want to try this out. So we are on our way. It takes around we are around 2 to 3 kilometers off this place.
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the left.
Now we are in front of this restaurant Chaat Street, and we are going to order some chaats over here, and finally we have arrived too. So let's place our order right now. So what are we going to order right now? There is dahi aloo chaat, puri bhaji, and dahi papadi. Inside the restaurant, it is like a small counter and a small shop with a lot of cinema posters all across the place. Also, there was a blaring music of Bollywood, and it was really sometimes we couldn't hear what we spoke to each other itself. We have ordered some aloo chaat and some kachori chaat, and we're expecting the order shortly. And this is a small restaurant with not much of crowd, but we are greeted with some huge Bollywood music with a lot of Bollywood posters also. It's good. It's good. It's a small place, but it's a very different place from what we have seen. So, yeah. So waiting for our food. Come. This is a samosa chaat, and this is a kachori chaat over here. This has peas, then it has some mixture, as well as it has this dal, moong dal. It's a very light dish, and it's a very quick dish too. As well as with some samosa, which is ground in mashed in. It's made of potatoes and with onion and a lot of. Let's taste it. It's a bit spicy. Yeah, I think that the juice or they made it with this chaat mixture. It's kind of a little spicy as well as a little tangy taste. But anyway, it's good. It's good. Actually, in fact, the Bollywood music is pretty loud. How's it?
Good one. A different taste. And it is good. As said, it's a little spicy also.
But it's tasty also. It's a bit tasty also. But too watery. In fact, the liquid they use is a little bit watery. The water and little watery. But yeah, it's good. It's tasty. So what is it? Kachori. This is kachori and
Bengal gram and
Chenna with onion and little mint leaves.
coriander.
Leaves. So let's taste kachori chaat. And it has kachori, there is a little stuffed potato bun which is mashed, as well as with chenna and chenna dal, and with some there is some onions as well as some coriander. All this mixed together is kachori chaat. And let's taste it. It's good. Pretty good. Tasty. Not as spicy as samosa chaat. This is mild. A different taste too. Really good. Yeah. Let me try it. So you mix all these ingredients together. The kachori and the dal and onions, and have a taste of it. How's it?
It's a different taste. It has some sweet taste also.
Yeah.
And not that spicy as the other one. And it's good. It's actually a good evening snack, especially we are very hungry. It's a good one.
Yeah. I think the food is pretty too much, and we're kind of super full with this. We're just stuffing ourselves down. Quantity is too big, too much, I could say. But yeah, but it's good. For a person who's really hungry, as my wife told, person is really hungry, they will really eat it. But yeah, we are kind of full after eating our chaat. You see, they accept orders from Swiggy, Zomato and Dunzo. Also, this is a good packing. So we ordered some kachori chaat to be taken at home, and this is a lovely packing they have. They're good branding, in fact. So we bought a little order home, and this too we will be tasting it. Here we finished a dinner right today, and it was like not even a dinner, it was actually a chat. But it was like a dinner, it was super full, and we enjoyed our time. Also, this place it's a bit spicy, but it's economical, and we had a good time too. So we hope you liked watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on them. In case you come over here, please do step across to this restaurant. of chaat in case you're like super hungry. It's a good place to hang out with friends too. So until the next video, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Also, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel too.